Hello.
What's up guys, it's me Smoke and today we're coming back with another clip. Today we're gonna overclock my last Titan, because like you can see I have the quad Titan XP on my desk, and yeah, I'm preparing for the making the upgrade of my upgrade of the upgrade of the upgrades. So that is the another story, but today we're gonna just open the last from the Titans, and this is that box. And I don't have to talking about specification of that GPU, because if you need some kind of specification you can go to the other clips before and just have a check what I was talking about those GPU, or you can check other guys on the YouTube, yeah. So that is the major thing. I'm gonna unbox that and I'm gonna today show it for you what I do, how I check the core on the GPU, and I'm gonna show it for you also how to clean the drivers properly to get the better score if you want to make the scores on the OC. So this is the two major things today: checking the Titan XP, the last Titan XP, and also cleaning the drivers. So that is the major thing, and that GPU is so fucking damn fresh. I hope so. You're the lucky one. Okay, so we're just gonna open that, or maybe no, I'm not gonna even do it that you know noise. We're just gonna jump to the test bench, yeah. So directly to the test bench. Okay guys, the Titan XP is already set up in the test bench and we already inside the system, and like you can see the GPU tweak 2 asking us for the new drivers, yeah. And what I'm gonna use today the DDU for completely cleaning up the drivers from the NVIDIA to don't left any craps from any data extra or whatever. Always some small files can left, yeah. So to run the DDU, you have to just go to the system command, system configuration, and go into the boot in the safe mode, yeah. So this is major thing when you're gonna get that program, yeah. And just apply network, bam, and just restart your PC. And I'm not gonna record that in the OBS today, because of course you don't record the benchmarks from the OBS, you're just losing the FPS on that. And we have to just right now restart and boot in the safe mode. Yeah, so we already now in the safe mode, so we can start the program. And like you can see, you have the couple option to clean and restart, highly recommended, clean and do not restart, make cause issue like black screen, clean and shut down for installing a new graphic card, and remove GeForce Experience display driver, installer cache and files without drivers, yeah. But mostly what I use the clean and shut down for installing a new graphic cards, yeah. And first I'm just cleaning everything by this program, by this software, yeah. And later I just gonna go to the older drivers, because the new drivers, the NVIDIA just slow it down, so I use the older drivers. And I choose the best ones, you know, benchmark, and you're gonna see which one is gonna be the best for you, you know. So okay, for now we're gonna just clean and shut down, and this is everything the real time today, so you just take the time, guys, yeah. I'm not gonna cut so much the things today. It is like it is, we have to deal with it. Okay, so we're back to the system again, and we already done the cleaning the drivers, and now just shut up. We're gonna install the drivers. I'm using the 38569 driver, so choose the best one for yourself, yeah. Of course, if you want to download other drivers than 385.69, you can go to the NVIDIA archive and you can just digging for your drivers, you know, so for your GPU. So this is the major thing, you know, when you just do the OC benchmarks and other things. Just have a check couple drivers, you know, don't go on the newest one, because newest doesn't mean the best, you know. So this is the major thing about it. And still take the clean and make the perform clean installation, yeah, because you want to just swipe everything out and make it the newest and fresh you can, you know. So this is the point to make the drivers. Okay, so the drivers are already done, and we already have the GPU tweak too. Don't look on that. And yeah, I'm not still recording in OBS, so whatever. You have to go to the professional mode, and we're gonna just pre-run that GPU. So we're gonna go to the plus 100. Plus 70 and plus 20, we're gonna give it directly, maybe plus 10. Also, you have to just go to the GPU Z and just look on the sensors, yeah. Then we can just run the 3D mark. Okay, so we already know in the time spy. I'm gonna just set up only the fan speed for the auto also. Sorry, for the manual. And like you can hear it, this is the max fan. Right, so this is the score for that pre-run. Nothing special, but yeah, we're gonna test more. We have too much TDP. Okay, we're gonna just go max. And we're gonna make the first pre-run on plus 150. Without the memory, we're gonna test without the memory right now. Okay, on the 150 it's crashed, and I have to just go it down and try it from 120 and just go it up step by step, and maybe we can hit 160 if we're lucky. But if I cannot make directly 150, that means it's not gonna be the good GPU. Maybe that way. Okay, so this is the 120. Yeah, and we're gonna see another pre-run, but I'm already not happy. Okay, so we come back to the 120 and 120 running 8397, and I'm running on the Crappy Lake. We have inside the Crappy Lake and we have the Titan XP, of course. Okay, so this is the score for 120. Just go higher, fucking hell. Okay, so we already ran the plus 130, and it's quite bullshit, you know, because we already hit the wall. So we have 130% TDP power consumption. That is not good. I'm gonna try to put 10 megahertz more, but it's not gonna make it, I think. So the clock is not the best on that GPU. I'm not fucking happy. I'm really not fucking happy. But anyway, we're gonna hit that 140. But that power consumption right now is fucked up. And okay, we're gonna just repeat. Okay, so let's clock that to the 140. and we have a check what it's gonna be with this GPU. If I can go 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, that is great, you know, 180 is good. I will be fucking happy. Maybe 170, 160. If that's gonna be 140, I'm not happy, you know. Okay, we're just gonna apply that. And just run the benchmark. Okay, so GPU hanging and we cannot hit the 140, so we're gonna check what was the maximum. 2050, yeah, maybe, but we didn't make that. So yeah, 140 is the maximum right now what I can do, and if that doesn't run, so this is not the best clocker, and yeah, unfortunately I cannot make the best score on that GPU. So this is all about it, you know. This is how you just check the overclocking on your GPU, yeah. The power target, GPU voltage. Yeah, I don't even tweak the memory clock right now because I want to just check the clock, how I clock, because the clock is most important, yeah. And yeah, that will be all just from that kind of clip. And if you like it, just thumbs up. If you don't like it, you know exactly what. And catch you later, guys, to the next clip. Take care and keep good.
I'll be back.